We just got here at Balboa Lake. In this weather, I'm about to see if I can catch some fish. I think I should be able to catch some fish. It's cold weather. It's like kind of raining. Water's always cold. It's cold. Let's see. I got some worms. We gonna see. It's people fishing here, so I'm not the only crazy person, right?
I know we had plans, but then the game changed. I had to call her audible. Ooh, I swear to God, you get so toxic. You let your friends talk for me.
I got my tackle box filled with crap, all type of fishing treasuries, all type of things. And I'm gonna be using this. These should do some good work. I always catch with these, always. And my secret ingredient, secret ingredient. I'm about to let y'all in on something nobody know. Secret. Cat food. Not much of a secret, but you know. This, I'm gonna chum this and just bring them to the area. We gonna bring the fish to the area, y'all. They gonna come, and then I'm gonna catch them.
Trust these niggas, huh? Got you all up in your feelings, it's like fuck these niggas, huh? All that constant repetition got you loving niggas dumb. You give everything you got and you get nothing when it's done. Oh my god, went too far up on this shit. Should've waited for the king, cause baby started with a print. I can bring you back and slip it if you parted me a trip. Knock it out the park, baby, make it hard for me to miss.
Y'all see what I got? And it's simple. I got my little weight, 1 ounce weight. Every time I come to you, on a circle hook. That's it. Cause I got the bad boy right here. Old Shay got the bad boy right. You know what I'm about. Every time I come to you, you always tell me something. These Unc gave me these right here. Look at that. Look at the green. Oh my God. Tell me I'm not gonna get no bite. Tell me. Look at the green gut, the blood, slime. Look at slime. My slime about to go catch me something. And I'm just gonna hook him just like that so he can move around. Slime. Look at the green.
I know you want to go and catch a million. If you happen to catch no fish, it's called fishing, not catching. Don't sweat it. Fishing, yeah, we going fishing. Fishing, yeah, we going fishing. Fishing, yeah, we going fishing.
Oh.
Fishing, yeah, we going fishing.
We out here. And it's going down. It's going down. I should be able to catch something, right? I'll be all right. Whoa. Getting crazy out here. I would love to catch a fish in this. Coming down harder. No diddy.
I'ma take your body, bust it like I'm shoddy. 6'9" LeBron James. I'm coming into your lane. I know what you want. Girl, come and get it. I'm calling your phone.
Going down.
I'm posted alone. Know when I
Whoa.
keep you waiting too long.
I'm about to get up out of here. Only got one bite. Nothing else. It's coming down.
I ain't got no reason to be waiting all day. I ain't got no reason to be waiting